So here we're going to cover what's called the mean, although most people do just say average. Now this formula you will need to know. I'm not going to give it to you on a test. You need to have it memorized. So the mean or average, we're going to add up all the terms and then divide by the number of terms we have. So for this one, I'm going to take 75 plus 51 plus 75 plus 100 plus 51, and I've got 5 terms total. I will divide that by 5. Now be careful on your calculator. Do this in 2 parts. I'm going to add up all the numbers first, and I'm going to do that as a separate computation. That gets me 352, and now let's divide that by 5. And I get 70.4. We might get a decimal. That's perfectly okay. So similarly here, I'm going to take 17 plus 39 plus 76 plus 19 plus 139 plus 73, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things total. So I'm dividing by 6. So again, let's add up the top first. So 17 plus 39 plus 76 plus 19 plus 139 plus 73. I get 360, oops, 3. Helps if I write the right number. And then if I divide that by 6, I get 60.5. So that is how we are going to find a mean or an average. And again, we will need to have that formula memorized. One application for the mean is finding a grade point average. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Now this will be given to you. So an A is worth 4 points, B is worth 3, C is worth 2, D is worth 1, and F is worth 0. So you do not need to have that memorized. So here I've got a student who got a C in a 3 credit hour class, a B in a 1 credit hour class, and their 2 5 credit hour classes, they both got A's. So I'm going to make a little chart. Let's start by writing down what each of those are worth. So C is worth 2, B is worth 3, and those A's are both worth 4. So I'm going to make then another column where this is going to be the product. So I'm going to take the number of credits times what the grade is worth. So 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 times 4 is 20. And 5 times 4 is 20. Now let's take a total then of that last column. So 6 plus 3 plus 20 plus 20 is going to give me 49. Now we are also going to want to take a total of the credits column. How many credit hours did this student take? So 3 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 is going to give me 14. To then find the GPA, I'm going to take the total, basically things that I got, and divide it by the total number of credits I took. So I am essentially doing a mean here, and I'm going to get a 3.5, which is this student's GPA. Let's do another example for that. So again, this B is worth 2, the B is worth 3, the C is worth 2, that A is worth 4, and the D is worth 1. So again, I'm going to make my little worth column here where I multiply. So 4 times 3 is 12, 1 times 2 is 2, 5 times 4 is 20, and 5 times 1 is 5. And again, I set it up like that. Again, we take the credit hour times what the grade is worth. And then I need to total. So again, I need to know the total number of credits. So 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. And then if I take 12 plus 2 plus 20 plus 5, I get 30 39. So to find my GPA, let's take the 39 on top and the 15 on the bottom. And oops, I typed that in correctly on my calculator. I get out 2.6. So that is mean. And again, this one application of mean, which is finding a grade point.